2, 1, 0. Ignition and liftoff.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Vehicle pitching downrange.
Launch. Wait a minute, is it going up?
Power and telemetry are nominal. Falcon 9 is supersonic.
As you heard, Falcon 9 is supersonic, traveling faster than the speed of sound.
Max Q.
Falcon 9 has reached max Q, the maximum dynamic pressure it will feel during flight.
MVAC engine chill.
In just under 30 seconds, we'll have main engine cutoff, or MECO.
Main engine cutoff. Stage separation. MVAC ignition. Bearing separation.
As you can see, the fairings have deployed, marking the third flight for these fairing halves. We will attempt to recover the fairing halves using our recovery ship, Bob. Everything continues to look nominal for the first stage on the left-hand side of your screen, as well as the second stage on the right-hand side of your screen. As you can see by the
Acquisition of signal, Bermuda.
As you can see by the stage telemetry there, second stage is now at an altitude of nearly 160 kilometers. As a reminder, today's payload is for SpaceX's satellite internet constellation Starlink.
Both vehicles on a nominal trajectory.
As you can see on the left-hand side of your screen, first stage utilizing the grid fins in order to prepare for re-entry. Everything continues to look good for the second stage, now traveling at a speed over 13 kilometers per hour. 13,000 kilometers per hour. About 10 seconds away from stage 1 entry burn.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
Stage 1 FPS is safe.
Stage 1 has ignited 3 engines to slow it down for atmospheric re-entry.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
Both stages continue to follow a nominal trajectory.
Stage 1 transonic.
As you heard, the first stage is now traveling near the speed of sound.
Stage 1 landing burn.
Stage 2 FTS is safe.
Stage 1 has ignited
Stage
1
2 is
engine.
terminal guidance.
Landing leg deploy.
And as you just heard, we were able to confirm the first stage landing on our drone ship.